Pixie haircuts are a perfect blend of simplicity and style. They are short, chic, and full of charm. In this video, we explore some fresh and inspiring pixie haircut ideas that can completely change your look and give you a confident new appearance. If you are ready for a bold, yet beautiful transformation, a pixie cut might be exactly what you need. One of the best things about pixie haircuts is how versatile they are. Even though the hair is short, you can still create many different styles. A sleek pixie cut is a great option for a clean and polished look. It is smooth, neat, and perfect for formal occasions or professional settings. With just a little styling, you can achieve a very elegant finish. If you prefer something more relaxed, a messy pixie cut is a wonderful choice. This style looks effortless and natural, giving you a cool and modern vibe. It is perfect for everyday wear and does not require much time to style. Just use your fingers to create a soft, textured look and you are ready to go. A feathered pixie cut is another beautiful idea. This style includes light, soft layers that give your hair a feathery and airy feel. It adds movement and makes your hair look more lively and fresh. This type of pixie works especially well for those who want a soft and feminine hairstyle. For a more dramatic change, you can try a pixie cut with volume on top. In this style, the top section of the hair is kept longer and styled to create height and fullness. It gives a bold and stylish appearance and is perfect for special occasions or when you want to stand out. Another trendy option is the pixie bob, which is slightly longer than a classic pixie cut. It combines the shortness of a pixie with the shape of a bob, creating a balanced and modern look. This style is ideal for those who want to keep a little length while still enjoying the benefits of short hair. Adding texture to your pixie cut can make a big difference. Textured styles look more dynamic and give your hair a fuller appearance. You can use simple styling products to enhance the layers and create a fresh, modern finish that looks different every time. Hair color can also elevate your pixie haircut. Soft highlights can add depth and shine, while bold shades can create a strong and unique look. Whether you choose natural tones or experiment with something new, color can bring your pixie style to life. They are easy to maintain, quick to style, and perfect for busy lifestyles. At the same time, they offer a fashionable and modern appearance that never goes out of style. Most importantly, a pixie haircut is all about confidence. It shows your personality and highlights your facial features in a beautiful way. It is a style that makes you feel fresh, light, and empowered. No matter what style you choose, a pixie haircut can give you a new and exciting look. It is simple, stylish, and always in trend, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants to try something different and beautiful.